What up, y'all? Every penny counts. Real quick video. I just want to show you guys proof. This app Checkpoints that I just got paid from. Here it is. Let me see if I can show you. Actually, here it is. Yeah. Checkpoints. This app actually pays instantly. I know I just made a video on it showing that you can get paid. It says allow up to 14 days, but it really pays instantly. I don't know why they say that, but I've never, like I said in my previous video, never had to wait more than 14 days, and I usually get it paid the same day, and in most cases it's instant. So this is just a PayPal proof showing you that they do pay, and not only do they pay instantly. All right, so all you're doing on this app, just going back to it real quick, showing you how you make money with it. You're just scanning barcodes. That's my $5 PayPal cash, said it's on its way. And going back over here, go to in the store, just go to one of these stores. You click on it, like I click on Walgreens, and I'll go in there to scan 25 point. Well, let me see. You gotta, it'll ask you a question like this: which of the following are you planning to buy today? You don't have to. There's no right or wrong answer to that question. I just click on next, and let me go back. I just get that 25 point just for going to scan Tylenol. Some stores don't have a lot. Some stores have more than others. Walmart is a big one. Click on Walmart just to show you, all these different products you can get going to this Walmart. Just scanning different products. All right. So, I mean, very, very simple to do. Just scan the barcode. Find the product. Find the barcode. Scan it. Get paid 25 points. Let it add up. You can cash out at $5 if you want to do PayPal. If you want to do Amazon and other gift cards, it's even lower than that. So, I mean, this is a very easy app. Anybody can use it. It's not difficult at all. The link is in the description for all you to get started with it today, and just start making money with it. And also another thing you can do is receipts. I have so many different ways you can get paid just with receipts, and this is another app that allows you to get paid for scanning your receipts. All right, so I just want to show you guys that. I mean, it's another app. It's very easy. It really surprises me how many apps and how many websites that I have that are just easy money, and when you just put all of them together, you really can make a decent income. So I just wanted to make this video real quick just to show you that PayPal proof again, that they do pay. I don't want anybody to believe that they're a scam. They pay instantly. So get started with it today. The link is in the description for you to sign up, and always remember, every penny counts.